Good morning. Our time in Menorca is over. We had a free spot just in town. Nobody really bothered us. We quite enjoyed ourselves a bit checking out the town. I'm just cruising out now under sail, and I gotta say, this little kind of natural port is unreal. If you're ever around Menorca or Majorca, you got to check this place out, especially by sailboat. It's unreal. Okay, so we are just making our way to Majorca. We are probably halfway through this sail. The sun is setting. I've been watching movies on the laptop, and Isabel's upstairs kind of freezing her ass off. Unfortunately, she cannot come downstairs at all without getting seasick, so she's staying upstairs at all times. And I've got her rugged up really well because it's not winter yet, but it's not far off, and so it isn't that warm outside. How's the sail been going? Terrible? Why terrible?
No, it's been so good. A little bit of waves in the beginning, but now there are hardly any waves. It's been sunny all day, and yeah, I'm just snuggling up, watching a bad series, and enjoying the sailing life.
Now tell me about this look you've got going on here. Who are you wearing tonight? And
Ooh, it's layers on layers on layers. It's the new trend.
One would call you an onion, right?
Or cake. Everybody loves cake. Good morning. We are in Port de Pollença.
How do you say it?
Port de Pollença.
Porto de Pollença?
Port de Pollença.
Sorry, one more time.
Good morning. We are in Port de Pollença.
Yes, we are.
In Majorca. We had a day sail yesterday. We arrived at like 11, something like that.
Last night, yeah. So we came around yesterday from Menorca, beautiful little island. We've got this great anchorage on the northeast side of Majorca. So we're going to go check out this town now. We're kind of just sheltering for a day and then trying to pick up some wind tomorrow. We are quite cold on the boat when we're going sailing. And
Gracias, caballero.
Gracias. Yeah, we need some decent socks. We found Isabel's vegan restaurant, and she really wants them to open. I don't think they're open. And now she's calling their phone number. She really wants to see them.
I want my rich chocolate peanut cake.
What was that?
I want my rich chocolate peanut cake.
Okay, darling. So one of the reasons we came to this town was for the vegan restaurant, which
was called Bella, so I had a little connection there.
A little connection, yeah. And explain to me what's happened today.
So the nice lady in the answering machine told me that they open it on 5th of December.
They're closed. They're on holidays until
Yeah.
the 5th of December.
So our plan now is to stay and just
No,
celebrate Christmas and
no,
New Year's here.
No, it's not. Gracias. Happy travel?
We just had Spanish food. We just had paella, lunch/dinner. It
At
was
a beautiful
amazing.
restaurant called, what was it called?
Sóller de Para?
Sóller de Para. Yeah, it was like this old vintage kind of place. Had a lot of stuff going on in there. We got approached by two ladies, didn't we? Wondering what we're doing. We didn't really look in place here in Spain.
No.
But yeah, highly recommended if you ever get to
Really good food.
Majorca. Yeah.
I met up with an old friend that I hadn't seen in years. Our ever-moving home allows us to reconnect with long-lost friends around the world.
Good morning. It is 7 a.m. We have just picked up anchor. We are trying to make our way from one side of Majorca maybe to Ibiza or maybe to the other side of Majorca. We'll see what the wind does. It will be an uphill battle from now until this evening, if not tomorrow, so it should be interesting. It's amazing to see Porto Pollença and all its glory. It is a stunning little town, and the landscape around it is amazing. Move the screen, other than really look at it a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. This morning we have woken up in a little anchorage on the north side of Majorca. We tried to travel upwind yesterday towards Ibiza, but the winds just came too strong into us, and this one wasn't really enjoying herself very much.
There's a lot of waves and my seasickness. It's still not going away.
So I made the call to just abandon the upwind sail and find the closest anchorage, and we have. Today the wind has completely disappeared, and we have been recommended a spot a couple hours away. So we're going to try motor to that today.
Port de Sóller?
Yep, that's the spot. Some princesses or
Yeah,
queen.
the Swedish king's sister apparently lives there. So
There
we're
you
gonna
go.
try to
How does that work?
get some dinner at her place.
How does that work? But like, because she's Swedish and she's in Spain, like, wouldn't she be chilling in the Swedish part, like the
Well,
Swedish country?
Yeah, but Sweden are cold, so people
So
don't live
if-
there anymore.
Not even the royal family. It is a beautiful day out there. I just put the drone up. I'm sure you'll see that action right now.
Okay, so we just got to Porto Sóller and it is stunning. It's so beautiful. We're just now taking a tender and we're gonna go to the town and explore.
Oh, not a bad afternoon! Porto Sóller is a beautiful little village consisting of bars, restaurants and shops. It has distance from major tourist towns, making it very cozy and friendly. The population is 12,000. It has a picturesque tram ride that links up the port with the main town of Sóller. The anchorage at Porto Sóller is very calm, very protected. We highly recommend it to any other yachties travelling through.
Today I made some noodle salad with some greens, homemade peanut butter sauce, and yeah. You excited?
So excited. So very, very excited. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to join the crew, see the link below and become a Patreon today. Thanks heaps.